FlyEnv now includes a native Consul module. Install and manage Consul as a local native service. Open the Version tab to see the Consul builds available for your machine. Choose a version and install it with one click. FlyEnv keeps the local service and its files in one place. Once it is installed, start Consul directly from the Service tab. The live log confirms that the Consul agent is ready. Next, open the local Consul web interface in your browser. The Services page shows every registered service and its current health. Use nodes to inspect the machines participating in the local cluster. The Key Value view lets you create and manage configuration values. Add a key, edit its value, and save it without leaving the browser. Consul immediately shows the stored value in the local workspace. The Tokens page gives you a clear view of access tokens and ACL status. Return to FlyEnv to review service options and quick controls. From the menu bar, start or stop Consul whenever you need it. Keep Consul close to the rest of your local development stack.